Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Combat University. For today's lesson, I'm going to be teaching you how to defend against a double strike attack. For this one, I'll be going over a fight scene in the movie Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, and it's going to be a fight scene between Splinter versus Shredder. So after this clip, I'll meet you back here to teach you how to go over this technique. Let's check it out.
Shredder. You think you're the owner? Very good, rat.
Welcome back. So in this scene, you saw that Shredder came after Splinter, right? We're not going to be going over what Splinter did. He had his sword and he just defended pretty easy. We're gonna have to go a more realistic approach. So for this one, as he comes in to attack, we're going to block, and we're gonna tie up with him. From this tie up position, we're going to knee, step back, elbow to the face, up elbow, down into the chest. Again, he's gonna strike, we're gonna block, tie up, knee, elbow, up, down into the chest. So when he comes after us and he does this double strike, we don't know how many times he's going to try to hit us. So it's easier just to tie up with him, and then we don't have to worry about it anymore. So again, automatically he's throwing punches, we're coming in, knee, elbow, up, down into the chest. So that's how we would defend against the opponent striking us. Now let's see what happens if he already hit us. What would we do in that position? So from here, right? So we got struck, we're down here. We get in a natural defensive position where we're blocking our head. At some point during this attack, we're going to have to defend ourselves. So from here, we're going to step in, get through the punches, right? We're still protecting ourselves and we're going to tie up with him. Automatically, we're going to do that knee to the groin. From here, elbow, down in the chest. All right, so one more time for this technique. We're being struck. We're just going to go automatically tie up and knee at the same time. Right. Down in the chest. Now on to the aggressor technique. So for this one, we see our opponent's puffed up. We know that we're going to get into a fight. We don't want to worry about getting hit. We don't want to have to worry about getting blocked. We're just going to go straight for it. So from here, as we're looking at our opponent, we see him standing there. We're not going to mess with any of that stuff. We're automatically just going to come in, knee, right? It's the same technique, so I'm just going to go over it one time. We're going to get our body in position. We're going to put a little bit of weight on our right side so we can step. So from here, we can even be in defensive stance like, hold on, stay back. From here, just step, knee. Knee. Just remember to protect yourself as you're going in. Your arms are up to make sure that he can't strike you from here. Knee, elbow, elbow, strike. Now let me show you how to do it on the heavy bag. Okay, so now we're here with a heavy bag. So again, we have to picture that our opponent has arms. From here, we're going to block, come in. You can still grab the bag. I'm just going to put my hand on it. From here, knee, step, strike. One more time. Block, knee, elbow cross, up elbow, down. Okay, so for this one, if we were already struck, we're already in position here. We're covering ourselves. We're just protecting ourselves from the punches coming in. We're gonna step and grab. From here, knee, cross, up, down. Now for the aggressor standpoint, knee, cross, up, down. To finish this off, I'll show you how to do it without the bag, and we're just going to do a free form. We'll show you front and back so you can follow along. All right, from behind. Knee, elbow, up, down. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Go hit that like and subscribe button. Try this technique out, and I'll meet you back here next time for more self-defense techniques.
You stupid little girl.
Hey, Brown!